The TID extension usually identifies an Acronis TruImage Data Backup file, a segmented disk image part for system recovery. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's investigate that PC backup. My experience tells me that some TID files require a professional bypass technique. I'll walk you through that secret method once the standard troubleshooting is complete. A TID file is associated with TruImage, a disk imaging and backup application used to create complete snapshots of storage devices. These files typically store compressed disk image data along with system configuration information, partition layouts, and metadata required to restore a system to a previous state. The TID format is proprietary and designed specifically for use within the TruImage backup environment. The internal structure of a TID file is defined by TruImage's imaging engine. It includes metadata describing disk geometry, file system structures, compression methods, and integrity checks. The format is designed to ensure reliable backups and accurate system restoration, with an emphasis on data consistency, error detection, and compatibility with supported operating systems and storage hardware. The official utility recommended for the TID file is Acronis TruImage by Acronis International GmbH. Opening this file with an unknown Windows program poses a critical security risk. Windows provides only limited attributes, so meaningful interpretation depends on the appropriate software. To open this specific TID file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Acronis TruImage is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to find the right software. If your TID file will not open, do not worry. To avoid future errors, let's talk about why the file is stuck. Here's a list of the key technical reasons this TID format often fails to open. First, install TruImage software. Download and install the TruImage disk imaging software, which is the only program designed to read this proprietary format. Next, open the disk image. Launch the software and use the Open or Restore menu to select the TID file from your computer. Finally, verify integrity. Use the software's built-in verification tool to ensure the backup data is not corrupted before attempting to view or restore it. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.